game, the Golden Nugget, Lock It, Link, Cats, Hats, and Bats. We're going to do the 2-cent denom because I like that one. Winnability is all the way up. We're going to do dollar spins. We need 3 bats in a row or 3 of the door knockers. That guy right there.
Yes.
Oh, we got a bonus right off the bat, ladies and gentlemen.
Come on.
Now we need to fill this up,
Show me the dollars.
and they got a touch. To unlock, come on. Touch it. Oh, come on. Touch it. Yes. Yes.
All right, come on.
Let's fill this up. It has been a hot minute since.
Come
Oh,
on, pop.
come on, pop it. Come on, Lynn. Yes, there we go.
Keep going. Come on.
Come on, one more.
Pop it.
Let's fill this up.
Show me the dollars. Come on.
There we go. Come on, land. Pop it. Come on. Pop it. Yes.
Now we're safe.
Yeah, we're safe. Anywhere they land, they're going to touch. Let's land the last 4. Come on. Let's do this.
Pop.
It has been forever since we filled up a whole board.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come on. Don't end it yet. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Quick pull on the $2.
$47 win. All right. Let's keep it going. Let's see if we get one more. Is this machine hot or not?
How many spins was that first bonus?
Second spin. That was a second spin Johnson. We need 3 of those door knockers on 2, 3, and 4. Can we get one more bonus? Oh, that was 2.
Come on.
Oh, off by 1. And they are wild. Castles are wild. Oh, come on. One more bonus. One more bonus. Can we get one more? Can we get one more bonus? Do it up top. Oh. Come on, one more bonus. Oh. Last spin. All right, we doubled up. Actually, let's do this. Go 1 cent. Go ahead, do a 50-cent spin. All right, so maybe we get lucky. This is hats, cats, and bats. Golden Nugget. All right, we made it at the Locket Link. Diamond Life, I believe this one is. We're at the 2-cent denom, and we're gonna do $1 spins. Let's get our gamble on. We need 3 hearts in a row, in a pay line row, or 3 of those diamonds. And the gold bars are wild. All right, that's $1. Oh, come on. Oh. And the hearts have to be in the same pay line. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, that's $2.70 right there. Yes, and we have the bonus. Now we have a choice. Oh, no, we don't. We just get the 6 games. Let's get hearts. Come on. Oh, heart. Oh.
Come on, pop. Pop like it's hot.
Oh, one more heart on the bottom. Yes, we got the heart. Hold and spin.
All right, big money.
Come on, we need the hearts to attach. Come on. Oh, come on.
Big money.
Come on, touch. Oh, you're kidding me. $8. Oh, do it again. Yes, we got it again. One more. All right, let's get him to touch. Come on, fill him up. Let's fill that up with hearts. Come on. One more. Come on.
Connect.
Connect them up. Yes. Come on, one more touch. Come on. Oh. All right, now we can get one anywhere and it'll touch.
Come on, pop it.
Come on.
Pop it.
Come on, touch it. Pop. Pop. Oh. All right, $20. Well, we've got 2 more spins. We can get the heart bonus one more time. All right. All right, nice $40 bonus. All right, we'll do a couple backups. Come on, let's get one more bonus. Can we get one more? Oh, we don't got it. Last spin, everybody. Oh, we can do one more? All right, that's Locket Link, Diamond Life.